Hey guys, it's VB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look using the Colourpop It's My Pleasure palette. Hope you guys enjoy the look and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys leave. Thank you. First, I primed my eyes using this Revlon Colorstay eyeshadow primer, and I just blend it out with my finger. Now jumping into the palette, I'm going to start off with the color called Fan Fiction. And I'm going to apply it using this Alamar Cosmetics brush. Then I'm going to jump in to Sleeper, and I'm going to apply this with this Beige Cosmetics number 5 brush. I'm just going to make sure to blend it all out. I go back in with the Alamar Cosmetics brush and I blend that out. And I just build up the colors to the wow, I cannot talk today. To the consistency that I wanted. And then I cut my crease using this Beige Cosmetics flat brush. And with this Luxie 213 brush, I began to apply Chick Lit. And I like to tap in the color. And I apply it all the way out to form a wing. And then I just take my e.l.f. black liquid liner and I line the lash line. For mascara, I went in with the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. For lashes, I used House of Lashes in the style Siren, and like always, apply them using my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. To prime the face, I went in with Cover FX Blurring Primer, and I make sure to tap it in. And I apply it to my problematic areas, which is like the nose and on the cheek area. And then I go in with my favorite primer by First Aid Beauty called Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. For foundation, I went in with the Hard Candy Glamoflauge Full Coverage Foundation in the color Warm Beige. As always, I use my Real Techniques sponge. For concealer, I used the same one that I used to cut the crease, the Wet n Wild concealer in the color Light Medium Beige. And of course, blend it out with the same Real Techniques sponge. To set the face, I used Wet n Wild Photofocus translucent powder and I applied it with my damp sponge. And with this BH Cosmetics brush, I make sure to set the rest of the face. Now for the bottom lash line, I went in with the same colors. I went in with Fan Fiction and Sleeper as well. And I'm using the same Beige Cosmetics number 5 brush. To blend that out, I use this Wet n Wild blending brush. To line the lash line, I used the Luxie 221 brush and I applied Sleeper with that one. On the waterline, I went in with the Ciate Wonderwand black eyeliner. And make sure to blend that out using the Wet n Wild blending brush. After that, I applied some mascara to the bottom lashes. And of course, I effed up, but I'll go in to fix that later. I just have to make sure that it dries. And once it dries down, I used a spoolie to like flake it off. For bronzer, I went in with the City Color Collection blush and bronzer palette. I showed it to you guys in my haul video and I like it. It's pretty good. And I used the same palette for the blush. By the way, I'm using the Aesthetica P12 brush. I take my Wet n Wild blending brush and I make sure to blend the inner corner of the eyes. And for the tear duct, I applied Mr. Sandman and I used this small dome-like brush from BH Cosmetics. And I used this small blending brush by BH Cosmetics to contour the nose as well. For highlight, I used the Time Highlight Heaven Glow Palette and I used the shade Bliss. And I applied it with the Luxie 522 brush. I set my face using the Ofra Cosmetics Makeup Fixer. To line the lips, I went in with the Wet n Wild Bare to Comment lip liner. And to fill that in, I went in with the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Manila. It is a very beautiful color, you guys. And of course, you have to apply more highlight, you guys. The last thing that I like to do is to set my brows, and I use the Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter. And this right here is our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys leave and hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Thank you. And remember, feel nothing less than what you are.